the server tonight. Pages load fast, everything feels right. Old design packed up, wrapped with a bow. Rebuilding Wingman from the code up, let's go. Fresh new start, cleaner from the core. Every click smoother than ever before. From raids to records, all in view. If you love Guild Wars 2, this one's for you. It's a website overhaul for Christmas time. Multi-boss queries wrapped up nice and fine. Interactive analytics, watch the numbers dance. Air-related leaderboards giving everyone a chance. Custom profiles, themes you choose. Wingman's coming back with nothing to lose. Mark the date, the future's in sight. Coming in 2026, yeah, it's looking bright. Red per page is clean, no clutter, no mess. Every stat align, nothing to guess. Better group support, squads feel whole. From casual clears to speedrun goals. Filters glide like falling snow. Find what you need, fast and pro. Every metric alive, every run on display. Data tells a story in a whole new way. It's a website overhaul for Christmas time. Multi-boss queries wrapped up nice and fine. Interactive analytics, watch the numbers dance. Edited and leaderboards giving everyone a chance. Custom profiles, themes you choose. Wingman's coming back with nothing to lose. Mark the date, the future's in sight. Coming in 2026, yeah, it's looking bright. Video showcase, moments replay. Best clears, big pulls on display. Dark mode, light mode, festive style. Built for the community, mile by mile. Commanders, raiders, data dreams, all connected by the same old memes. So deck the halls with charts and cheers. The next-gen Wingman era's almost here. Less mess, more power, insight galore. Everything you love and so much more. Raise a toast to the code we refine. This Christmas dream just needs some time. When it lands, you'll know it's true. Wingman 2026, built for you.